we've got to put the fish net into the lake. Now what we need is to put something onto the rope there. What? No, it's not ready. I'm trying to put the fish net into the lake, the trap. I'm going to tie something to the rope so we know where it is. Maybe this will do. Oh! So what we've got to do is to tie something onto the rope so we know where the trap is when we have to pick it up. And it's supposed to float on the surface like this. Throw it in the water, then we throw this float into the water as well, so then we know where the trap is. Oh, it sunk to the bottom. I have to think of something else. I like the sunshine when it's shining in the sky. I like the sunshine when it's shining in the sky. And I like the water when it's blue in the lake. I like the water when it's so blue in the lake. I like the smoke sauna when it's smoking so hot. I like... Oh! Oh, what is... Who put this blooming brick in the water?